There are a few ways that repeat operations can be beneficial to you as a modeler and an artist. In the case of the node editor, really large numbers will often create useful errors. By introducing noise and then subtracting it, we can change the look of the picture. Here I am reducing the sample count and adding volumetric planes through which to view the scene. The results can be unexpected, which lends itself to generative modeling. Here you can see the results of a subdivision, unsubdivide, and subdivision again modifier stack, and how the flow of the topology changes. Here, unsubdivision alone isn't enough. By performing subdivide and unsubdivide operations, you can create a junction from a 3-loop mesh to a 2-loop.